Nigeria's cost of living crisis has dominated headlines since May 29, 2023, when the federal government removed fuel subsidies. The ripple effect have been severe. Transportation costs surged almost overnight, driving up food prices across markets. Combined with the depreciation of the naira, insecurity in farming communities, and weak economic growth, millions of Nigerians are now trapped in a cycle of poverty and hunger. The World Bank estimates that 129 million Nigerians, 56% of the population, were living in poverty as of 2024. The World Food Programme paints an equally grim picture. More than 30 million Nigerians face acute food insecurity, with 37% surviving below the poverty line. For many families, this means living on less than $1 a day, struggling to afford even a single meal. Hunger is hitting children the hardest. UNICEF reports that Nigeria has a second highest number of stunted children globally, with 32% of children under 5 affected. Stunting caused by chronic malnutrition has long-term effect on physical growth, cognitive development, and future productivity. Around 2 million children are currently suffering from severe acute malnutrition. Tragically, Doctors Without Borders recorded 652 child deaths from malnutrition in Katsina State in 2025. Experts say the crisis is fueled by more than just rising food prices, frequent disease outbreaks, poor access to primary health care, weak social protection systems, and escalating violence in rural areas have worsened the situation. Farmers in the northwest and north central often abandon their lands due to insecurity, reducing local food production and pushing prices further out of reach for the poor. For authorities, the task is twofold: respond to the urgent humanitarian crisis while also building resilience against future shocks. Without coordinated action, Nigeria risks losing a generation of children to hunger and malnutrition. What do you think should be prioritized? Emergency food and save lives now, or structural reforms to address poverty and hunger in the long run?